If we take log of both sides, we have 4 log.
Would it be
minus 4. Honestly, this will give you no solution. There is no solution. This will give you no solution. Now remember, there is no way that indices will not work and log will work. It will give us no solution.
so that's only one?
Okay, alright, for say, even here it says, as for the use the variable b, minus 4, it does not apply here. So there is no solution. So it's normal in mathematics, sometimes you can get to this point where there will be no solution. So for this, no solution. No solution.
So it's only x equals 1,
Eh?
right?
So we have x equals 2. Where did we even come from? We came from somewhere, we came from here. Right? Let's even try to know if apply this. Substitute the value of 2 here to know if we'll get this thing here. Please do that in a minute. Do that in a minute. There's no all this software. Now we didn't get it. I was just trying.
Emmanuel. Timer.
Okay.
I'm looking at timer.
So substitute the value of our x in our equation to know if we are correct. Know if we are correct.
Yes.
We are correct.
Yes.
We are correct.
Yes.
Good. I'm so happy. I would have cried. Imagine passing through all this. Don't get it. Have to go back. Ooh. Now let's continue. Let's solve this logarithmic problem. We have evaluate 1/4, 1/5 log 64 base 4. Solution. So how do we distribute this? 4 raised to the power 3 will give us 64, right? Hence you have 1 over 5 log 4 raised to the power 3 raised to 4 will give us 3. Then this will come down. This is equal to 3 over 5 log 4 base 4. This will give you 1. That means 3 over 5 times 1 is equal to 3 over 5. Good. Good. This is a similar problem. To evaluate this. This is a similar problem. Evaluate 1 over 2 log 32. Evaluate this. Let's evaluate this. Okay. Let's evaluate this. Okay.
Is there a base? Is
Is there a base? Let me check. Base 2, sorry. I have base 2 here. Base 2.
If he doesn't
So, what's our answer?
I got 5 over 2.
5 over 2? Who got the same thing? Everyone got 5 over 2. Okay, let's see. So from this, we have 1 over 2 log base 2. 32 is 2 raised to the power what? 6. 6. Huh?
5.
2 to the power of 5 is
Okay, 5. Okay, 6 is 64. Hence, you have 5 over 2 log 2 base 2. This is equal to 5 over 2 times 1 equals 5 over 2. Now, let's simplify this also. Let's simplify log a for 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 log a minus 1 over 12 log a power 7. So to simplify this, we need to apply the basic law. Simply, you have this. This will come up first. You have solution. Everything is what? Log a power 1 over 2 plus log a power 1 over 4 minus log a power 7 over 12. Hence, this is equal to log everything here. Log into bracket a for 1 over 2 times a for 1 over 4 divided by a power 7 over 12. Is that clear? Huh? Is that clear?
Yes. Oh, yes.
So this is equal to log 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Wait. just take the base. You can just take the base.
So the first term should be log A of 1 over the power of 1 over 3.
1 over 3.
Yeah,
Yes, thank you.
that makes it easier.
Okay. So we have A power what? A power A power 1 over 3 times A power 1 over 4 will give you what? So we have 712. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Oh, that means we are getting the same thing. Wow. Wow. This is 712. That means we are getting 1. Log 1. Log 1 is 0, right? Yep. Hence you have 0. You have 0. Good. So, okay, let's solve this. It seems like we have solved something like this. Have we solved 0.2542 minus x? We have not. Here we want to solve for x. Solve for x. Hence we have 0.2542 minus x equals 256 over 2 power x plus 3. So solution. So basically we want to break this down. So after solving this, you play the math game. That will help us to do like. No, I think. Let me see. Let me talk it out like. It's not the math game. Yeah, we're supposed to. No, but we'll be going on break soon. What time are we going on break? Okay. Maybe when we come back from break, we'll play the after some time we play the market. Okay, so what are we doing? This is the same thing as 25 over 100. Raise to power what? 2 minus x equals, this is the same thing as 2 raised to power 8 over x plus 3. Is that clear? Hence, here is the same thing as 5 raised to power 2 over 10 raised to power 2. Or 2 minus x equals 2 raised to power 8 over x plus 3. Since everything here can come out to give 5 raised to power over everything here can give 2 into 2 minus x. Right? Hence you have this is equal to I've been wondering. See, this should be 2 power x plus 3. This should be 2 power x plus 3. 2 power x plus 3. Hence you have 2 power 8 minus x plus 3. Is that correct? Oh, this is correct. If you follow to this point, thumbs up. Good. So from here, we have 5 over 10 power what? 4 minus 2x equals 2 power 8 minus x minus 3. Wait. How do we distribute? Huh? How do we distribute? How do we distribute this 5 over 10? Are you sure we're supposed to distribute?
You can reduce that to 1 over 2.
I'm thinking. Okay, I can reduce it to 1 over 2, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. So if this could be 1 over 2, that means this is raised to power minus 2x equals to 2 power 8 minus x minus 3. Good. Hence you have 2 raised to power minus 1 into 4 minus 2x equals 2 power what? 8 minus x minus 3. This will cancel this. Hence you have my negative 1 into 4 negative 2x equals 8 negative 3 will give you 5. Hence you have 5. You have 5 negative x. Hence you have negative 4 positive 2x equals 5 minus x because multiplied. Hence you have 2x when you collect group the like terms plus x equals 5 plus 4, which will give you 3x equals 9. This will divide by 3. This will divide by 3. 3 cancel 3. Hence x is equal to 3 divided by 2 will give you 3. Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So let's solve the next problem. So let's evaluate this. Want to evaluate 3 power x equals 27 power 2x over 3 power x plus 1. So here simply solution. So this is what? Here we have 3 power x equal to 27 is 7 plus 3 raised to 4 3. 3 raised to 4 3 into 2x over 3 power x plus 1. Is that clear? So this is equal to 3x power x equals 3 power 6x minus x plus 1. 3 will cancel 3, hence we have x equals 6x. Let's distribute. Okay, you have x plus 1. Hence you have x equals 6x minus x minus 1. Hence you have, this will come to this side. When you want to eliminate 1, hence you have 1 equals 6x minus x plus x. It has to be minus also. Hence you have 1 equal to 4x.
If you have 1 equal to 4x, divide both sides with 4, coefficient of x, you have this 4 cancel 4, hence you have 1 over 4 equal to x. Good.
Okay, let's proceed. Fine. Okay, let's go on 8 minutes break. Let's come back by 8:26. Right? Let's come back by 8:26.
Still frolic.
Yes, you can erase everything.
Emmanuel.
You don't drink too many water. You see, the water will just come up. She tell me, say, if I feel blend food, so I don't say the chop. Sorry about it, so thank you so much. I share like food, so I don't say the chop. So make I blend out avocado. There's avocado here. The chop here, that's avocado. So make I blend out say, make you try the copper. Say you feed the drink out small. And that one will be disruptive to many because if you're thinking about it, so that one will be giving you that. The other thing I tell you is if you don't take breaks now, say because of this way you dry, make your skin totally dry. Take fruit, do well for warm water, or put for your face before you continue. So I will have to take your face as you continue. So I don't feel like dehydration will be made your skin will make you like if you don't do them now, tomorrow things will not be bad. You see, you will struggle with this bad. So better make it preserve the this one. So I could try. Because she tell me say this one are active glucose, but still this thing will take for your body and it will come out very fast. No, the bread. Why did you chop small like 60?
See, I don't want some to work with really so like that.
Thank you.
And for me, I was talking about me with some like that. Good, it's still good.
Just leave it and paint meat pie. No. Yeah, meat pie. You know, I mix it.
I even have one surprise.
I want to put on avoid.
Give me one.
I tell you, I don't know who's on avoid.
200, give me one. No, I know the car now. Yeah, don't find way, just one.
Down. You know, push it up. This one. Push it up. I don't know.
What do you think is very bad?
Guy, check your time.
Okay, get everything ready by the next break.
Yeah, I will try and do that.
Something in the
when you move go that end, some of the video no they show that end. Feel like you don't fix them now. But before, when they do them, when you do that end, you know go show them in full. So
I see. I'm going to.
Now 1 minute to get there.
That is a crazy statement. I don't think I'm fully comprehending that where heroes. And then tomorrow. He's trying to show this off.
Welcome back.
I just figured.
Okay, let's continue. So, we have those few problems to solve in indices before we proceed. Another topic. Right, okay. So, evaluate this. Evaluate 4 power x equals 16 2x over 8 power x plus 1. We have solved something similar before. We have solved something similar.
So solution. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 2x equals 2 raised to the power 4 power 2x over 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3 x plus 1. Hence, here we have 2 raised to the power 2x equals 2 raised to the power 8x minus 3 into x plus 1. Here we have 2 cancel 2, hence we have 2x equals 8x minus, you distribute 3 minus 3 into this parenthesis, hence you have 3x minus 3. Right? Hence you have 3 equal to 8x. 8x minus 3x minus 2x. Hence you have 3 equals 8 minus 3 will give you 5. 5 minus 2 will give you 3. You have 3x. Is that correct? Hence, divide this 5 by 3, divide this 1 by 3, 3 cancel 3. You have 1. X is equal to 1. Okay. So, now given this, evaluate 9x minus 3 power x all over 3 equals 26. Hence, from this you distribute. Since they have something in common. Is this raised to power? Okay, raised to power x. Hence, this is equal to 9 over 3x minus 3 raised to power x over 3 raised to power x equals 26. This you cancel this, hence you have 1. Here we have 9 over 3 raised to power x minus 1 equals 26. Again, here we have 3 raised to power 3 equals 26 plus 1. Hence, you have 3x equals 27, equal to 7. So what do we do? What do we do next?
Over 27 to 3 power
3 raised to power what?
3.
3 raised to power 3 is 7 times 27. To simplify this, this is 3 raised to power x equals 3 raised to power 3. 3 will cancel 3, hence x is equal to 3. Good. So, evaluate 2 power x equals 5 power x plus 2. Right? Good. Solution. So from here, you apply the basic law of indices, multiplication law. Hence, this is 2 power x equals 5 power x times 5 power 2. Hence, here you have to divide both sides with 5x. Divide here with 5x. Divide here with 5x. This you cancel this. Hence, you have this. You factor out x from the law of product law, where you have 2 over 5 all power x equals 5 raised to the power 2 is 25, right? So how do we simplify this thing further? Is there any way we can simplify this without going through the log route? Without taking log of both sides? Is there any way? Is there any way? I don't think there is no way. There is no way. So, because we are having this 5 here, which is a prime number and an odd number, so you cannot simplify this thing further. Hence, you take log of both sides, you have log 2 over 5 over x equals 20 equals log 2 over 25. Log 25. Hence, you have x equals log 2 over 5 equals log, this is x log 2 over equals log 25. You divide this side by log 2 over 5. Divide this side by log 2 over 5. Log 2 over 5 will divide log 2 over 5. So from here we have x equal to log 25 over log 2 minus log 5. So this is your value of x. Okay, so evaluate this. 5 square roots power square root of x plus 5 square root of x equals 50. So from this, we are set to factor this to give 5 solution first. Hence you have 5 power root x, or 1 plus 1 equals 50. Hence you have 5 power root x. So you have 2 here. You have 50. Divide this side by 2. Divide this side by 2. 2 cancel 2. Hence you have 5 root x. Root x is equal to 25. Right? So taking it back, we can see that 5 root x is equal to 5 root 2. 5 will cancel 5, hence you have root x equal to 2. Taking square of both sides, you have take square of here, take square of here. You have x equal to 2 times 2, which will give you 4. So we do the same thing. This is the last problem for indices. So evaluate three power 5x plus 3 power 5x equals 54. Now I want us to attempt this. In pairs, in groups. I want us to attempt this in 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 2 minutes. You are free to interact, share ideas. You have a minute more. How many of you have gotten a value of x? How many of us? Like 50%. Okay, let's go. 30 more seconds to go. Let's see if we have more people that will be. Let's see if we have more turn up. How many of us are done? Okay, so what's our value of x? 9. Who got a different? This person gets a different answer. Okay, so let's say 3 power this into 1 plus 1, that's 2. 2 into equal to 54. Divide 2, divide 2. Here we have 3 power x equals 54 divided by 2 will give you what? 27, right? Next you have 3 power root 3 equals 3 power 3. This you cancel this. Here you have root x equals 3. It takes square of both sides. Square, square. Hence you have x is equal to 3 times 3. Hence x is equal to 9. Now we are done with indices and logarithm. Keep going. That's wonderful. You guys are amazing. Okay, so quadratic equation. So quadratic equation is an equation of the form. Oh, by the way, it's not different from what we have been talking about in equations. Equation has to do with when you talk about finding the unknown variables, the values of the variables, and substituting those variables in that equation. When you do that, you have the balanced equation. So it's not different from the equation of all the equations I've been doing. So the difference is that the form of quadratic equation is, or the general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus b squared plus c equals 0. Where a, b are the coefficients and c is a constant. Right? So from this now, x is the variable here and here. A, b is the coefficient. And in quadratic equation, we always have two values of x. That's one of the fundamental things you need to understand about quadratic equation. Now, there are so many methods of solving quadratic equation. So we'll take them one after the other. Let's start from factorization method. We'll start from factorization method. Factorization method. So what we are doing here basically is we want to find the factors of AC. We want to find the factors of AC. So we multiplied A and C. So that factor, any factor, that factor that when you add them, so if added gives